Hello and welcome back. This is Jane from Jane's Brain, and let's draw an owl, a barn owl, possibly. We can do it the simplest of ways. I'll show you how to do it simple. Couple ovals, okay? Then the beak. Then the head. And then we have the body. Now, that is simple. And it's not the best owl, but you can tell that's an owl, right? You can add some more of the beak if you want, or more of the wing, excuse me. Okay, now let's do a little more in depth. Let's start with some eyes again. 2 eyes. Let's change the beak a little bit, like that. Now, let's give it a face. Kind of looks like E.T. to me at the moment. Okay, then you outline that again. You come in, and that is kind of a weird owl, but you can tell it's an owl. Then let's add some color to it. Let's make it a blue owl. Oh, I know. There's probably no such thing as blue owls. But there could be. Okay. There we go. Add some blue right here. There we go. It's a little bit weird, yes, I know. There, let's add a little bit. There we go. Look at that. We can add some more over here. Okay, then let's add some yellow for the beak. There we go. Now let's go get some more black and outline this face. I want to outline the blue. And there you have an owl. What do you think of that? Give it a few spots, maybe. Dun da da. Simple, simple, easy as pie.